Hello everybody, welcome. First things first, I'd like to say thank you ever so much to every single one of you who subscribe to me. It means a lot, honestly, it really does. I mean, people subscribing to watch an old fat like me blows me away. I must say thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. And anyway, on to today's video. What have I got? It's from Aldi's, and I've seen these. I've never seen them before. It says they're new. See that? It says new. But I've never seen them before, so whether they are, let me know. Whether you've had them before. It's called Slimwell oven chips. There wasn't in the Slimwell stuff or anything. It was with the normal, where all the normal frozen chips are. It does say low in saturated fat on them. So I don't know whether they are slimming chips or what. Or whether that's just a gimmick for people to buy Slimwell. I'm not sure. But anyway, what I'm going to do them in the air fryer. It's nice and simple, ain't it? You know, things always come out crispy in the air fryer. So let's open them up and have a look what they look like. Oh, quite chunky to be fair. Look at the size of them. Got the skins on, look. Probably ain't going to see them, are you? There's quite a lot in the bag, to be honest with you. It says, I mean, I've read the instructions already. It says put them in the oven, spray some one spray on them. But that's just the same as in the air fryer. So I'm going to put them in the air fryer, and we'll see what they come out like. Right, first things first, let's get the air fryer plugged in. We'll get the basket out. I'm going to throw some chips in. They're huge. They're massive, look. They're really big. Don't want too many of them. There they are. They're quite big. Quite thick and chunky. A bit like steak chips. I'll get me one spray. Just get a little squirt. I'll give it a shake. And we'll stick them in. We'll stick it on chips. We'll stick it on for 20 minutes. And we'll check halfway through. So when they're halfway through, I'll bring you back. Right, that's been in for 10 minutes. So we'll give it out, give it a shake. Oh, that was clever. Dropped it everywhere. Unstick them. Whoops a daisy. Half the chips are gone. Not to worry. Looking nice though. Still enough chips in there to taste it anyway. That was my own stupid fault. Press the button on there, look. Well, never mind. Looking nice. I'll stick them back in for another 10. Then we'll bring you back when they're done. Pick up all these chips now, look. All on the floor. Right, that's on its last minute now. So it should be finishing any minute now. So there's not many in there now because I dropped half of them on the floor. Because I'm stupid. But I still get a taste test out of them. There we go. Just done. So we'll have a look what they're like. Oh, look at them. Oh, they look nice, don't they? Oh, I'm very surprised at that. Look at that. Let's get one out. Hot. Oh, don't they look nice? Wow. So there's not many in there now, half of them are on the floor. But you get the idea. Right, let's dish them out onto a plate. Get myself a plate out. Dish them out. I'll turn that off. So there we go. Look at them. They look quite nice, don't they, them? £1.05, no, £1.09 there was. I forgot to mention that earlier. Right, let's give them a taste test. So then, what do you think? I think they look quite nice. I mean, they've come with a lovely colour, haven't they? Absolutely lovely colour. Say £1.09. Let's try one. Oh, a little bit chewy. I suppose that's the skin though, isn't it? Could have went in another 5 minutes, I suppose. I mean, the skin's crunchy. I suppose a couple of more minutes, I suppose. A bit more like wedges. They're nice though. Bit of salt. Bit of table salt on it. That's better. I don't like vinegar. Oh, they're nice. Yes, they're nice. You can see why they're slimming ones though, because you can taste the, there's no grease in them. Well, not slimming, I don't know whether they are slimming, what are they? Oh yes, Slimwell. Well, it says low in saturated fat. And you can taste that as well. They're very nice though, so I think £1.09. That's them. Bit of tomato ketchup. Here we go, bit of ketchup. Do you keep your ketchup in the fridge or do you keep it in the cupboard? Keep ours in the fridge, we do. It's an age-old question, ain't it? They're gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. There's not many there, I dropped them all on the floor. Well, they're lovely and thick, and would you buy them? Would I buy them again? Absolutely. That's a thumbs up from me. They're lovely. Yeah, superb. As I say, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. If there's anything you want me to cook, let me know in the description, in the comments, and I'll do it. Someone's asked me to do something tomorrow, so I'm going to do it. Someone's asked me to do something, so I'm going to do it after this video. So Neil, if you're watching, that's coming up after this video, mate. So say thank you very much for watching. Until next time, see you later. Bye bye.